It can be a hectic life. Wake up. It can be a hectic life on a 24-hour news channel, full stop. You have to check the stories and rush them on air, full stop. Make sure the right pictures are available and get the guests smoothly in and out of the studio, full stop. Actually, comma, that last part should be the easiest, comma. But when BBC News 24 discussed the court battle between Apple computers and the Apple Music level on Monday, comma, who exactly was the expert they brought in, question mark. New paragraph, dash. So what does this mean to the industry and the growth of music online, question mark. Well, comma, Guy Cuny is the editor of the technology website News Wireless, full stop. Hello, comma, good morning to you, full stop. New paragraph, dash, good morning, full stop. New paragraph. Were you very... Scrap that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Dash. Were you surprised by this verdict today, question mark. New line, dash. I'm very surprised to see this verdict to, comma, to come on me, full stop, because I was not expecting that, full stop. When I came, they told me something else, and I'm coming, full stop. You got to realise it's a big surprise anyway, full stop. New paragraph. In fact, comma, the real Guy Cuny looks like this and is a regular BBC contributor, full stop. He was sitting elsewhere, comma, awaiting his call, comma, but a case of mistaken identity, comma, a bit of confusion, comma, and reception, comma. So our mystery man ended up in the hot seat, full stop. And, comma, to his credit, comma, as the interview continued, comma, he had a good stab at giving some answers, full stop. New paragraph, dash. This does really seem to be the way the music industry is progressing now, full stop. People want to go onto the website and download music, full stop. New line, dash, exactly, full stop. You can go everywhere, comma, on the cyber cafe and you can check, full stop. You can go easy, full stop. It is going to be an easy way for everyone to get something. Full stop. New paragraph. So who was this surprise and surprised guest? Question mark. Well, comma, we distributed this picture around the building, but despite our best efforts, comma, we still don't know, full stop. Our best guess is that he was invited to talk about a different issue on another program, full stop. If anyone can help, comma, put us all out of suspense, full stop. These are the details for any of your comments or suggestions about BBC News and current affairs programs. Ellipsis.